Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Okay. So we are going. Marks will be your report cards will be given to you next week, by next week only. Okay. That time you can know. You can know what was your mark. Not now. Okay, Akash. Next week you will get your report cards. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So our new chapter is chapter 1, rational numbers. Very important chapter. Chapter 1, rational numbers. Which retest, Elsa? Which one you are
Ma'am,
discussing?
I couldn't attend 2 exams. So,
Which
ma'am,
one?
Ma'am, social and English
That
literature.
will be informed by respective teachers. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. They will call you. They will contact you. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So our new chapter is rational numbers. Very important chapter. For the next 2 years, you must be to know max, to make max very easy. You must be thorough with this chapter, rational numbers, operations of rational numbers and properties of rational numbers also there. So you must be very thorough with this chapter for getting good marks in your next year's max papers. Okay. So write, all of you write chapter 1, rational numbers. Chapter 1, rational numbers. Rational numbers. This PDF, they need PPT. Okay, rational numbers. Okay. See, we have studied number system from your first standard onwards. We have studied about numbers, isn't it? We have studied whole numbers, integers, and rational numbers also. We have studied what are rational numbers that we have studied. In this chapter, we are going to study about properties of rational numbers. Before that, we will just revise what are the properties of rational numbers and properties of whole numbers and properties of integers also. Do you remember what are the properties of numbers? Any property? We have studied last year, we have studied about properties of numbers. What are they? Gopika, can you remember, say any property of numbers?
Ma'am, like closure property.
Closure property, very good. Closure property. What does it mean? Closure property means what?
When
So
we do
take
any
addition. Addition on whole numbers. Whole numbers are what
close
are whole numbers? Whole numbers are, what are they? Whole numbers are starting from whole numbers
0,
starting
1,
from
0.
0. Whole numbers starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. And whole numbers are denoted by a letter. Which was that letter, Karthik? Whole numbers are denoted by a letter. Which was that? Karthik? Aaron, whole numbers are denoted by which letter? Aaron, Amrita,
Is it 2?
which one?
2.
T. Whole numbers.
2.
No, whole numbers are denoted by a letter. What was that letter? Anyone?
W.
W. Whole numbers are denoted by the letter W. And what are integers, Parvati? What are integers?
Ma'am, negative.
Negative and positive. Both negative and positive numbers are known as integers, and integers are denoted by which letter? Integers? No, not I. Whole numbers are denoted by W, but integers are denoted by which one? Anyone? Z. Whole numbers are, no, integers are denoted by Z. Okay. So we, yes, Gobika said closure first property of numbers, whether it is integers, whole numbers, rational numbers, closure property. Closure property means if we do one operation on the numbers, if we do one operation on the one or two numbers, then the answer also will be in that group. Suppose we are discussing closure property on whole numbers. If we are discussing closure property of whole numbers, if we do addition on whole numbers, the answer must be a whole number. If the answer is a whole number, then we can say that addition is closed. Addition is closed. Okay, on that set whole numbers. Okay, that we will discuss later. Before that, I will show what are. So this is the number system. This is the figure of a number system. It contains integers, -5, -4, -3, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. And whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. And natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. And natural numbers are denoted by which letter? Natural numbers are denoted by, integers is denoted by Z, whole numbers denoted by W, natural numbers are denoted by which letter? Which? Huh? Yes, Albin, correct. Say. What was it? N. Natural numbers are denoted by the letter N. Natural numbers are denoted by the letter N, whole numbers denoted by W, integers denoted by Z. Okay, see, whole numbers, if we include 0, then it is whole number. Otherwise, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. are natural numbers. If we include 0 into natural numbers, see, 0 is entering to natural number. If 0 enters to natural number, then it will become whole numbers. Otherwise, natural numbers. Okay. See this. This is a figure of number system. All the numbers are in the set rational numbers. The numbers that can be written in the form P by Q are known as rational numbers. So all numbers can be written in the form P by Q, and they are known as rational number. There are some numbers that also there which cannot be written in the form P by Q, that you will study next year. So this year we will study about rational numbers. Rational numbers are those numbers which can be written in the form P by Q, where Q not equal to 0. That is the I'll give the definition. No need to write now. I'll give the definition. So rational numbers are those numbers which can be written in the form P by Q, where Q not equal to 0. Because if denominator 0, if 0 comes on denominator, we can't do that operation. So Q cannot be 0. All other numbers, if any number that can be written in the form P by Q, are known as rational numbers. So when this violet ring shows rational numbers, all other numbers are there inside the rational number. So this violet ring contains rational number. And see the green. Green is integers, positive integers, 0, negative integers. That is -3, -4, etc. 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. All positive and negative integers along with 0, 0 are known as integers. Rational numbers are denoted by capital R. Integers are denoted by Z. Okay, so next one is whole numbers. In whole numbers, we are not considering the negative integers. We are removing -1, -2, -3 from integers. Then we will get whole numbers, that is W. Okay, and if we consider only 1, 2, 3 positive integers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc., it is natural numbers. So natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. Whole numbers, if 0 is including, it is whole numbers. If we consider all positive and negative integers, then it is integers denoted by Z. If it is Z plus and Z minus, what does it mean? Z plus means only positive integers. Z plus means positive integers. And Z minus means it is negative integers. Z contain, yes.
Ma'am, Adilakshmi is in the waiting room.
No. Okay. In the integers, there are we have both negative integers and positive integers. So under that, Z plus means positive integers, Z minus means negative integers. Then all these, including natural numbers, whole numbers, integer, includes in rational numbers. Rational numbers are those numbers which can be written in the form P by Q, where Q not equal to 0. These are the rational numbers. Okay, now properties of rational numbers. Before moving to properties of rational numbers, we will write about all this. Okay. So children, did you write the heading? Chapter 1, rational numbers?
Yes.
Okay, below that, right? First, we will discuss what are natural number, whole number, and okay. So write natural number. Okay, write natural number. Denoted by n, and it is natural numbers are starting from
1, 2, 1.
etc. Natural numbers, then whole numbers, denoted by etc. Then integers, denoted by Z.
Chapter, ma'am.
First chapter, rational numbers.
Chapter 1.
Yes. Z minus means negative integers. Z plus and Z minus. Over.
Yes, ma'am.
Next heading is properties of before one second. You just write properties of not rational numbers, right? Properties of whole numbers. Property heading properties of whole numbers. Properties of numbers enough, not whole. Properties of numbers, that is enough because we are discussing all the types of numbers. Properties of numbers. Properties of numbers. Okay, first heading, closure property of whole numbers. Closure property of whole numbers. Okay, listen, all of you listen to the board now. We will discuss the closure property of whole numbers. Okay, we know that whole number starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. First, we will take addition. Listen to the board, addition. First, we will discuss addition. How can we check the closure property of whole numbers on addition? See, let us take 5 plus 6. 5 and 6 are whole numbers equal to 11. And is 11 also a whole number?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. 0 plus 18. 0 is a whole number. 0 plus 18 is 80. 18 is a whole number. So we can say that whole numbers are closed under addition. Okay. Now we will take subtraction. 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4 is 2.
2.
Is it a whole number?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What is 5 minus 7? 5 minus 7 is
Negative 2.
negative 2. Is it a whole number?
No, ma'am.
No, it's not a whole number. So subtraction is, or whole numbers, sorry, whole numbers are not closed under subtraction. Here, when we subtract 5 minus 7, negative 2 is not a whole number. So whole numbers are not closed under subtraction. Is that clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Now we will discuss multiplication. 6 into 4, 24. Is it a whole number?
Yes, ma'am.
2 into 3, 6. Again whole number. So what can we say? Whole numbers are closed. Say, all of you. Whole numbers are
Closed under
under multiplication. Okay, now we will discuss division. 3 divided by 4. That is 3 by 4. Is it a whole number? 3 by 4?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, it will be decimal value will come. So what can we say? Whole
Rational
numbers are, whole numbers are, say,
Not closed
not
under
closed
this.
under division. Okay. Now all of you write this table in your book. Closure property of whole numbers. This 3 columns.
Thank you, ma'am.
Children, bye. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.